Hi there, welcome to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix image scaling issues you might face when importing an XML into DaVinci Resolve. It's not so much an issue as it is a matter of project settings. When importing an XML from other programs, such as Premiere Pro, scaling might be off, even though the transforms are translated to DaVinci, as you can see in the inspector panel. What is actually happening is DaVinci is applying smart scaling on top of the existing settings. To fix this, you need to go into your project settings and go to the Image Scaling tab. Here, you will have to change the input scaling to center crop with no resizing. Hit save, and your scaling should be as intended. To avoid the same issue happening over and over again, you can save your current project settings as a default preset.